Cheron Burns, owner and operator at Arcs Catering in the DC metro area. Man, I'm super bummed that I don't have on my FAMU shirt today to represent the Rattlers out there and all those upcoming Rattlers I've been seeing acceptance letters for, but it's all good because I've been seeing so many various colleges and universities that we're going to have the youth of tomorrow actually attending. But you know what? We have to celebrate them. Graduation season is upon us, whether it's from high school, whether it's from college, or any other type of degree. At Arcs Catering, we got you covered. We want to have fun, you want to have good food, and you want to celebrate. Why not give us a call? Check out our website at arcscatering-dc.com. Go to the upcoming event section, fill out that form, and we will contact you so we can customize that upcoming event to celebrate your loved one and all of the accomplishments and accolades that they have achieved. Look, we're taking the stress out of your life, making it easier for you so you can enjoy and have a good time celebrating with that loved one and all the family and friends that come and celebrate as well. So check us out. arcscatering-dc.com. We can definitely customize that upcoming graduation celebration to ensure that that loved one is celebrated and appreciated.